Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Investing 365 video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And as you guys probably know, today we're going to be talking about how to move your Robinhood account to another brokerage of your choice. Now, since the whole GameStop, AMC, Wall Street Bets, SEC, Robinhood debacle, a lot of people have been asking me, how do I transfer my money from Robinhood to another brokerage properly? Because I don't want to pay taxes, or maybe I don't want to pay the $75 fee that it takes to transfer my money over to another brokerage. And some of us may not even want to sell all our stocks and have to buy in possibly at a higher price down the road because of all the time that it will take to sell all those positions, have them clear, have them sent to your bank, and then having the bank send the money into a new brokerage. And by the time it lands in the new brokerage, you might end up paying 10, 20, maybe even 30% premium on the shares that you own just weeks before. And the method I'm going to share with you today is going to help you move those stocks painlessly, and I would say fairly quickly. And just remember that if you do decide to go with a different method, like selling all your stocks and moving those into cash in your bank, and then moving into a brokerage and rebuying those stocks, you will have to pay taxes on all of those stocks that you made money on. So first and foremost, to begin this process, you need to pick a brokerage and contact them. There are plenty of brokerages that you can go through, including TD Ameritrade, Stash, Fidelity, Vanguard, and even M1 Finance. If you don't have any of these accounts, I have a few referral links down in the description below. And if you use those links, it will help me out, it will give me a free stock, but it'll also help you by giving you a free stock or two just to start using their platform. But remember, this only works if you don't already have a brokerage account with them. And so now that you've picked a brokerage, remember that the first step is to reach out to the brokerage themselves, preferably the customer service department. And all you need to ask is that if you were to transfer your funds over there, if they will waive the $75 fee. And in most cases, they will, especially when it comes to platforms like Webull. I've seen them waive the fee over and over and over for a lot of different customers. I believe M1 Finance and Stash will do it too if it's over a certain amount. But don't worry, just make sure you ask the customer service department and they'll give you clear definition for what it takes for them to be able to waive that fee for you guys. So now that you've picked another brokerage, congratulations, you're finally off the Robinhood bandwagon. Make sure to ask the customer support rep when you're talking to them to do an ACATS transfer. And they might ask you for a few things like the name of your brokerage, your account number, and your DTC number as well. In order to find your account number, it's pretty easy. Go into your Robinhood app, click on the camera icon in the bottom right-hand corner, tap investing, and your account number will be at the top of your screen. And like I said, you might need a DTC number as well. And if they ask for that, and every single DTC number for Robinhood is the same, it's just 6769. And a very important step in this process is to make sure you sell all your crypto coins before doing this, because Robinhood doesn't actually let you transfer out any crypto assets. So if you start out with crypto coins in there, you will actually not be able to close your account fully, and you will still have crypto assets stuck in your Robinhood account, which you'll have to sell at some point. So make sure you sell these, but also remember that when you do sell these, you will have to pay taxes on all the profits that you made, especially when it comes to Dogecoin. Doge to the moon! And now that you've done all these steps and the brokerage that you've chosen has approved the transfer, and Robinhood has also approved the transfer to them, and once that transaction goes through, your funds will be transferred somewhere between 3 to 7 business days. I've seen it take as long as 2 weeks, but usually it's about 3 to 7 business days that it will take for your funds to go from one brokerage account to the other. And you might still have to pay the $75 fee at first, but usually the brokerages will reimburse you as long as you talk to the customer service rep beforehand. And like I said, once all the funds have moved over, Robinhood will automatically close your account. And if they don't for any reason, just make sure you contact the customer service rep at Robinhood and they will take care of that for you. And so hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, go smash the like button for me if you found value from this video. And if there's anything else you'd like to see from the channel, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Peace out. Feel free to check out the links down in the description below where you can get a free stock from Robinhood, $20 free from Stash, 2 or more stocks free from Webull, or $10 free from M1 Finance.